Now we are to find the curved surface area of a hemisphere with a radius of 6 centimeter. You know that the curved surface area of hemisphere is the area of the rounded surface, that is this part. We are to calculate the area of this part which is curved, which is in round shape. So answer, what is given to us is radius. It is 6 centimeter. What we are to calculate? We are to calculate curved surface area of hemisphere. We have already learnt that we can calculate the curved surface area of hemisphere by the formula 2 pi r square. So now we will put in the relevant values. We know that pi is a mathematical constant and which is represented by 22 over 7. Now we will put in the value of r square. R is 6, or then we will put 6 again. So now it becomes 2 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 6, 72 into 22 over 7, and if we solve it, we will arrive at 226.28 square centimeter. This is the curved surface area of hemisphere. This is the answer. Thanks for watching. If you like our course, please spare some time to give star rating to our course.